What's up, lollipop squad? Want to see me take her from busted to Baddie? Then sit back and watch me slay this lace closure quick weave tutorial using ball cap method. Today we are using premium purple pack hair, the Brazilian boutique. This hair is 100% human hair premium blend. I love this hair. It is very soft. This is actually the deep wave style in a natural black. This hair has an 18 inch, 16 inch, and 14 inch, which will make it very cute and pretty and layer up very nice. You don't have to do any trimming to it. Hopefully we don't, but we're going to see soon. It has a 5x5 lace closure with 3 parts, 2 side parts and a middle part, and a part around the perimeter of the lace closure, just in case you guys want to pull it up into a cute little ponytail. And it even comes with some baby hairs. This is my client before wash, after wash, and braid down. I will be using regular stocking caps over her hair, just regular wig caps, stocking caps. You know I'm old school, stocking caps, but yes, okay. I put 1 cap over her hair to protect her braids and her hair from any glue. I'm actually going to use 2, but this is the first cap that I'm using as a base and a foundation. Next, I put on my Pump It Up Spritz. I used the Pump It Up Spritz over her entire wig cap. And I also hit it with the blow dryer, just to get it dry. Once it becomes dry, it also becomes hard and sticky, and the wig cap is stuck to her head. This is a great protectant from the glue. Now I'm just using a little of my Got To Be glue, styling gel, right around the perimeter of it, just to make sure that it's held on extra good. I put the second cap on her head. This will be basically her ball cap. This cap I will bring a little lower so that I can make sure all of her edges in the front and all of her hair in the back and on the sides is protected from any glue. I don't want any glue to touch her hair. I spritz this cap on as well, and also use Got To Be glue just to make sure that the cap is stuck to her head completely. After making sure the cap is dry, I then begin to cut around her hairline. Well, not too close to her hairline, but I began to cut to make the cap a ball cap. Now I'm just using my blow dryer to make sure that this cap is laid down perfectly flat. I don't want any flying ends, okay? I don't want her popping up. I want it completely flat. So I use my blow dryer to make sure that everything is laid out flat and hardened up and dried up. Okay, you guys? It has to be dry in order to be laid, period. As you guys can see, it is flat. It is laid to her head perfectly. So this is her ball cap. Okay, you guys, after opening up the hair, I see that each bundle has 2 bundles inside. But as you guys can see, the hair is pretty. This is the 18-inch. We're starting with the 18 and we're going up. First, I measure the hair in the back from side to side to see exactly where I'm going to glue it before I cut it. I add my glue. And then I glue it down. Exactly where I measured it is where I glue her down. I like to hold mine down for a few seconds to make sure that it is there, it doesn't slip, and it is intact. Okay, got to make sure her there, got to make sure she's there, she doesn't slip. Okay, period. I then blow dry my track to re-ensure that the track is stuck in place. Okay, I want to make sure it doesn't go anywhere just in case she accidentally tugs it before it dries. I don't want any hair to move. And I then repeat the process. As you guys can see, with each track covers the ball cap or the cap underneath so you can't see it at all. Now, before I get all the way to the top, I am going to go on ahead and place my lace closure exactly where I want it, okay? I don't want to wait till I get to the top, because if you wait till you get to the top, okay, boo, you might run out of room. You might find out that your lace gonna have to be sideways, okay? We don't want that. So before you get too far at the top, I like to start putting my lace closure exactly where I want it to be. I center it. I make sure it's there. I make sure we are one. We are together before I glue her down, okay? I run right across where I want her lace to lay, put some product on it, and then I put the blow dry on it with heat. Okay, I put hot because I want it to go and get sticky quick. I don't have time to be sitting there all day, girl. So you guys, you have to make sure that you blow dry it until it is sticky, not like gooey looking. You have to put your finger on it. Okay, I'm just gonna be honest and make sure that it is sticky. Once it's sticky, you gonna know when it's sticky, okay? Because it's gonna be sticky. Then that's when you put her on there. Please do not put her up there before it's sticky, because then you're gonna have a lot of glue in your lace. Now you're gonna have to clean your lace, dry it, and then try it all over again, okay? So yes. Just make sure she's sticky before you put your lace on there. I try to come down right just a itty bit below the ball cap. That way it can look as if it's coming out of her scalp. Now, for this client, I did not use makeup simply because she is very sensitive. Her skin is very sensitive, and you guys, just doing this is enough for her skin. And her scalp is actually the same color as the ball cap. So, we just kept it simple and kept it chic. All right. You guys, that part did not want to stick. Okay, her was not sticky enough. So I had to add more Miss Gatsby glue and put her under the dryer. And here we go. Here we go. We are finally getting sticky. So maybe we can get this lace to finally lay properly. Because, yeah, we still got her to do. We still got her to do. Yeah, you guys, she finally laid down. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Now we can move on to the rest of the head. Yes. Now that I got my front laid down, I will now add glue around the rim or the perimeter of the lace closure so that it can lay down and be stuck and everything can be flat and pretty, okay? Make sure you guys hit it with the dryer so that your glue can go on and dry, okay? You don't want her slipping. Look, I'm just trying to save you time and a headache. You do not want her slipping on you. Just hit her with the dryer and move on. After finishing my lace closure and putting her up there fine, I just finished adding my tracks to the back of the hair as I was doing before I put the closure on. This time I'm moving more towards the closure versus just side to side. That way I can fill it in as much as possible and there can be no cap showing at all. As I get closer and closer to my closure, I just simply continue the same method. I measure, I cut, I add the glue to the track, I place the track, and then I blow dry it to secure that the glue is dry. I do this all the way till I can see absolutely no more cap. Yes, sis. Yes, the hard part is over. The long part is done. We are done. We are at the finish line. Now that all of her tracks are laid down perfectly, okay, I am now going to cut her lace closure to make her hairline. I do not like to cut my closures evenly because to me that does not look realistic, okay? So I just, go through and cut it. Not zigzag, but I just basically go through and cut it to make it look realistic. No straight line. In and out, no straight line. Okay, we got to glue her down. We got to glue that piece down. Okay, you guys, as you can see, her hair is laid. Okay, yes, she loves it. I love it. It looks like it is a part of her scalp. Okay, yes, she has her deep side part, she has a middle part, and she has another part. Okay, she has three parts. Yes, so I really, really like this. And as you guys can see, it looks so realistic. One thing I love about this hair, you guys, is that it came with pre-plucked baby hairs. I did a little bit plucking on the other side, but that was it. This is her final look, you guys. This is her, and this is what she came out to look like afterwards. She instantly went from what? Busted to Baddie. And this is the final look after we cut and laid the baby hairs and plucked just a little more. Okay, this is her with the middle part, so you guys can also see the middle part. Yes, sis, that looks realistic. It looked like it came out of your scalp. Yeah, yes. Oh, she is so happy. I am so happy that she is happy. Yay. She instantly went from what? Busted to Baddie. And look at her. She can't take it. She can't take it, girl. Get it, girl. 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 Okay. And this is the final side part, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and thumbs up.